Okay guys, so this video will be very quick. I don't want to take much time. So the first problem was already discussed in this in the previous video, and you can find the link right here. Let's go to the second problem. It's very simple. So what actually happens is you want to bullet mark something, and like some text and new lines in you want to bullet mark it. So or anything, any mark you want to do, that can be helpful with this program. And the program I am telling you right now, and the example I am showing you right now, cannot be relevant to you. But in the real life, you will face many like challenges and many such situations where you can use this one. So it's upon you how you will use it. But let's just go through the program. So the program is very simple. It's basically again we will be importing the Piper clip, and we will be storing the paste value in the text one, and then the first we will copy as a document or a text. We will paste it here. We will say the lines variable will have the new line text as an array. Then we will iterate through it, and we will just append the asterisk sign along with a space to that lines, and then again we will join the text field with the new lines, and then we will be again copying the text which was made here. So yeah, this was the program. It's very simple. What the program does is this will these are three lines. I'll show you this with the star point, and will show this too. Let's show this one too. So this comes here. We copied it in a normal fashion. It came here and it got split. There was a new line added along with the asterisk marks and high space. Then there is a new line added. Then we again copied this text. So I ran this program here in a command prompt, and then this is the output you receive. That's it. Nothing more fancier, nothing more coding wise, nothing more copy pasting wise. So thank you very much, and the next program will come. I think I'll directly want to finish it pretty quickly so that you shouldn't have any problems. And if you want to, if you are having any setup issue, the first video, again I'll be attaching it here. It's there, and it will be helpful for you in that category. Okay, and for further videos, stay tuned. Please subscribe this channel. I hope 10 years down the line, these videos will be beneficial for anyone who is beginning to program. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you. Okay.